Zuzzling towards the limelight. Let's see if he has what it takes to be a star.
Greetings.
Greetings, Ntantla.
How are you?
I'm fine, brother. How are you?
I'm not.
107.
Yebo,
I love that number, yeah?
the one in Ong.
Ntantla Masilel.
Yebo,
Uyamazi umuntu Masilel.
yanyamaz.
All right. So you have that energy, come to.
Ayazi kamasilela vele sonke is energetic.
Oh, where are you from, Ntantla?
Originally I'm from Limpopo.
All right.
Currently in Pretoria.
All right.
Yes.
Pretoria, where?
There's a place called Mafias. Nel
Mafia?
Mafias, yes.
Oh, Nel.
Nel Mafias.
Okay.
Yes.
Eh, ungathugcela ama-mafia lapho.
Ah?
Wena ka re tliseditse di-mafia tsa ko Limpopo ko Nel Mafia wena. Are you well, my friend? Which song are you gonna do?
My song, it's called Minwana Pezu. It's actually inspired by you, Grootman. That's
I can't wait.
Minwana, Minwana Pezu. Kodwa mina ngishintshile, you know.
Yeah.
It's manje.
Asizi mina nephezulu.
Nobody kiss it, nobody till I come How been them Zala, been them Zala. Nobody kiss it, nobody till I come Me no nape Zulu, me nape Zulu. Nobody kiss it, nobody till I come How been them Zala, been them Zala. Nobody kiss it, nobody till I come babize bonke beze ngapha wonke umuntu sisibuthi koko madala this is one of those umzala get together slangane forget about my tata a party people everywhere we get it simple stay cool we got it clear we no trouble ngale scoop we make them dance sing ama couple kulo suku they don't stand a chance twara ngwana kali side and if you don't mind you can bump side to side surely your girl can be my wifey ashisi matombolo salsika le keke la maungazi we living all good kamutakalo if you come with the ish utoka kalkalo ladies shake your booty shake me back cause ya wala na break your neck never mind kanako riba twerika style all night long lizal hlabe kya go tshela let the music take you there we go blasting better number for wet to with pretty hoes so ngicela ubona isandle moyeni Zulu yimi nepe Zulu nobody kiss it nobody till I come how been them Zala been them Zala nobody kiss it nobody till I come
Yeah, that's Minwana Pezu, guys.
Hey, I love your energy, the dress code, the confidence, the way you articulate yourself. You know, it's a beautiful song.
Nyabonga.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tano utsa Limpopo maraka utlo di lyrics nyana tsa Sepedi mo.
Yeah, I know Limpopo ya okhuluma isiNdebele nesizulu at the same time. Because most when you're from Limpopo, they expect you to khuluma isiPedi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So where in Limpopo are you from?
Monsterlos.
Okay.
You know Monsterlos, you've been then?
Yeah, because I'm trying to think. Monsterlos Kiko
Shokotlo Skukhune.
Cloversdale.
Osdal, yes.
Those have performed as well.
Yes.
All right. Yeah, because I'm trying to think. I was waiting for something.
Monsterlos.
Okay, Nilis Perinyana.
IsiPedi sona ngiyasazi.
Okay. And then, but in Limpopo, they're doing music called Lekompo.
Kompo, yes.
So are you one day going to do Lekompo in hip hop?
If I have to, Grootman, I have to jump in it.
Who would you feature though?
Okwamanje, ngathanda Tribe. There's a guy called Tribe Kompo.
All right.
Yes.
Oh.
Uyongishayo kwamanje.
All right. No, congratulations. You're going to make it to the next round.
Yeah,
and for those people out there that would like to vote for you, what do you want to say to them?
I would like to say they should vote for me because there's more into stores. Oh, Yazi, music is going to come to them. It's special from me. Yes, bazobonita zange bayizwa before.
And they must vote for
107.
107.
Yes, and they should follow me also on social media, Slam Twice SA. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. That's where you'll find me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Danko.
Ngiyabonga for this opportunity, guys.
Tata.
Thank you.
What a performance! Does contestant 107 have what it takes to be the next Kwaito legend?